हेलो एवरीवन, कैट 2023 एक्चुअल पेपर सॉल्यूशंस इस प्लेलिस्ट का ये थर्ड वीडियो है। फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड वीडियो में हमने स्लॉट 1 के क्वांट सेक्शन के क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर लिया है। इन दिस थर्ड वीडियो हम स्लॉट 1 क्वांट सेक्शन के क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 डिस्कस करेंगे। ये टोटल 6 क्वेश्चन है, उसमें से 2 क्वेश्चन नंबर्स टॉपिक में से है, 2 क्वेश्चंस ज्योमेट्री से हैं एंड द रिमेनिंग 2 क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम मॉडर्न मैथ्स। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 से स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, let n be the least positive integer such that 168 is a factor of 1134 to the power n. If m is the least positive integer such that 1134 to the power n is a factor of 168 to the power n, then m plus n is equal to how much? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टेटमेंट 1 को पहले फिर से रीड कर लेते हैं। स्टेटमेंट 1 says that 168 is factor of 1134 to the power n। तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट स्टेप ए है कि प्राइम फैक्टराइज कर लो आप। 168 is nothing but 21 into 8, that is nothing but 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 1. Now 1134, this number is divisible by 2, this number is divisible by 3, this number is divisible by 9 according to sum of digits. So this number is nothing but 9 into 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18 and the 9 sixes are 54. So 9 into 126 is again divisible by 9 into 14. So the prime factorization is 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 4 into 7 to the power 1. So now 168 is a factor of 1134 to the power n. So from this हम क्या conclude कर सकते हैं? Let's have a look at it. 2 cube into 3 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 1 is factor of 2 to the power n into 3 to the power 4n into 7 to the power n, because यहाँ पे 1134 to the power n है. Then first number is the factor of second number. तो इसमें से हम पावर को कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. How we can compare power? Let's have a look at it. First number is a factor of second number. Means second number is by default greater. Second number बड़ा होगा या इक्वल होगा फर्स्ट नंबर से. So सेकेंड नंबर में 2 का जो पावर है एंड दैट शुड बी ग्रेटर दैन और इक्वल टू फर्स्ट नंबर में 2 का जो पावर है. सेकेंड नंबर में जो 3 का पावर है 4n, दैट शुड बी ग्रेटर दैन और इक्वल टू फर्स्ट नंबर में जो 3 का पावर है. देन सेकेंड नंबर में जो 7 का पावर है दैट शुड बी ग्रेटर दैन और इक्वल टू फर्स्ट नंबर में जो 7 का पावर है. देन एंड देन ओनली फर्स्ट नंबर इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ सेकेंड नंबर. तो इसमें से व्हाट वी कैन कंक्लूड, लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट इट. n is greater than or equal to 3, then n is greater than or equal to 1 by 4, and then n is greater than or equal to 1. So from this what we can conclude is the minimum value that n can take is equal to 3. ये हो गया first statement. Now let's have a look at the second statement. Second statement says that 1134 to the power n is factor of 168 to the power m. Over here we need to find the minimum value that m can take. So 1134 to the power n is 2 to the power n into 3 to the power 4n into 7 to the power 1 is factor of 168 to the power m is nothing but 2 to the power 3m into 3 to the power m into 7 to the power m. Now यहाँ पे हमें पता है कि n का वैल्यू is 3. We are supposed to use n is equal to 3 now. So this number becomes 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 12 into 7 to the power 1. Now first number is a factor of second number. So power of 2 in second number is 3m, that should be greater than or equal to power of 2. Power of 2 in the first number. Power of 3 in the second number, that should be greater than or equal to power of 3 in the second number. First number, power of 3 in the second number should be greater than or equal to power of 3 in the second number. because first number is a factor of second number. Second number should be bigger one or equal. Power of 7 in the second number, that should be greater than or equal to power of 7 in the first number. तो अगर हम इन तीनों को सॉल्व करते हैं हमें क्या समझ में आएगा, m is greater than or equal to 1 and m is greater than or equal to 12. हमें इन दोनों कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करना है. So the minimum value that m can take is equal to how much? 12. So from this what we can conclude is the value of m plus n. Our required answer is we need to find m plus n का value. The minimum value m can take is 12 and the minimum value that n can take is 3. So the answer of this question is 15. Question number 18. The number of all natural numbers up to 1000 with non-repeating digits. So we want digits in which all the digits are distinct without repetition. So let's make the cases over here. Let's talk about first of all one digit number. One digit natural number, that is 1 to 9. All satisfies the given condition. So the answer is 9 over here. Then let's talk about two digit numbers. Two digit numbers are from 10 to 99. These are total 90 numbers. Out of these 90 numbers, 11, 22, 33 till 99, it does not satisfy the given condition because the repetition of digits is included over there. So 90 minus 9, 81 is the answer in this case. Now the third case is three digit numbers. They are like 100 to 999. So over here यहाँ पे first place पे 0 नहीं आ सकता है तो first place पे 1 to 9 आएगा. So there are 9 choices. Second place पे 0 to 10. There are 0 to 9. There are total 10 choices, but out of these 10 choices, one choice is already used at first place. Third जगह पे 0 to 9 total 10 choices हमारे पास है, but उसमें से दो digits हमने already use कर लिया है first and second place पे. So we left with 8 choices. So 9 into 9 into 8, 81 into 8, it's 648. Three digit numbers are going to be there in which no digit is repeated. After this, let's talk about four digit numbers. In the given range, 1000 is the only four digit number, and this four digit number does not include distinct digit numbers. Over here, repetition of digits is there. That is why we are not going to consider this. So the final answer is 9 plus 81 plus 648, which is equal to 90 plus 648. That is equal to 738. Option C is the final answer here. After this, question number 19. A lab experiment measures the number of organisms at 8 a.m. every day. Starting with 2 organisms on the first day, the number of organisms on any day is equal to 3 more than 2 times the number on previous day. If the number of organisms on the nth day exceed 1 million, then the lowest possible value of n is how much? 1 million means 10 lakh. So over here, यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन में दिया क्या है? On day 1 the number of organisms कितने हैं? 2. On day 2 वो कितने हो जाते हैं? 2 times previous day plus 3, that is equal to 7. On day 3 वो कितने हो जाते हैं? 2 times previous day, 2 times 7 plus 3, ये कितना? 14 plus 3 is 17. On day 4, पहले तो यहाँ पे पैटर्न क्या चल रहा है वो एक बार समझ लेते हैं. यहाँ पे this is 2, then 7, then 17. Day 4 पे कितना हो जाएगा? Let's have a look at it. 2 times 17 plus 3, 34 plus 3 is 37. Day 5 पे कितना होगा यहाँ पे? 2 times 37 plus 3, that is equal to 77. So one thing आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि plus 3 will not affect that much in front of multiplied by 2 in the later stage, but in initial stage that plus 3 will affect a lot, and so on. We need to continue like this, and on day n the total number of organisms are supposed to be 10 lakh plus. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं दैट +3 इनिशियल डेज में मैटर करेगा, आखिरी डेज में +3 विल नॉट मैटर अ लॉट बिकॉज +3 इज अ वेरी स्मॉल नंबर, नेग्लिजिबल नंबर. सो होल्ड ऑन. तो अगर हम यहाँ पे फर्स्ट डे से ही हम +3 को इग्नोर कर देते हैं, so this 2 becomes 4 becomes 8 becomes 16 becomes 32. so यहाँ पे डिफरेंस बहुत बड़ा आ रहा है, द डिफरेंस इज वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट. अगर हम सेकेंड डे से डबल करना स्टार्ट करते हैं 7 14 28 7 14 28 एंड देन 56, यहाँ पे भी डिफरेंस अच्छा खासा बड़ा है. नाउ होल्ड ऑन, एक काम करते हैं डे 6 डे 7 भी लिख देते हैं. डे 6 द नंबर ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स कितने हो जाएंगे 2 into 77 154 plus 3 157. On day 7 the number of organisms 2 into 157 plus 3 that is equal to 314 plus 3 317. Day 8 the number of organisms are 2 into 317 plus 3 that is equal to 634 637 and so on. So now 56 यहाँ पे डिफरेंस बहुत सारा है. अगर हम डे 3 से डबल करते हैं 17 into 2 34 into 2 68 into 2 this is equal to 138 136 136 into 2 is equal to 260 272. यहाँ पे भी डिफरेंस अच्छा खासा आ रहा है. So we should start neglecting +3. Let's start from this. 77 double of 77 is how much? 154. Double of 154 is 308. Double of 308 is 300 and 616. Okay. So let's start neglecting +3 from day 5 onwards. From day 6 onwards. Okay. So approximately यहाँ पे आंसर आ जाएगा because +3 will not make a difference in the later days. So over here यहाँ पे day 6 day 5 the number of organisms are 77. day 7 into 2 154 we are neglecting +3. day 6 हो गया है. day 7 कितना होगा 154 into 2 308 and so on. So basically day 5 it's 77 into 2 to the power 0. Day 6 it's 77 into 2 to the power 1. Day 7 is 77 into 2 to the power 2. Then day 8 is going to be 77 into 2 to the power 3 and so on. Day n is going to be how much? 77 into 2 to the power how much? 8 minus 3 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. So it is going to be n minus 5. 2 to the power n minus 5. Now we want 77 into 2 to the power n minus 5 का जो वैल्यू है वो जो वैल्यू है that should be greater than 10 lakh. तो यहाँ पे कैलकुलेटर यूज कर देते हैं. दिस इज अ बिट काइंड ऑफ डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे कैलकुलेटर यूज कर लेते हैं. 2 to the power n minus 5 should be greater than 10 lakh divided by 77 is how much? Let's have a look at it. So if I do 10 lakh divided by 77, it is 12,987. Okay. So hold on. Now let's go to the next slide now. Hold on. So we got one inequality 2 to the power n minus 5 should be greater than 12,987. तो 2 की पावर्स लिस्ट कर दो आप. वी नो 2 to the power 12 होता है 4096. 2 to the power 13 होता है, इसको इंटू 2 कर देते हैं तो 8192. 2 to the power 14 जो होगा that is going to be 16,000 and something. So from this what we can conclude is 2 to the power n minus 5 का जो वैल्यू है वो 2 to the power 13 and 2 to the power 14 के बीच में होना चाहिए. तो फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट वी कैन कंक्लूड कि n माइनस 5 का जो वैल्यू है वो 13 एंड 14 के बीच में होना चाहिए. इट मीन्स n माइनस 5 का जो वैल्यू है वो 13 पॉइंट समथिंग होना चाहिए. मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ n शुड बी 18 पॉइंट समथिंग. So the minimum integral value that n can take is 19. So in this question, the answer is 19. Question number 20. In a right angle triangle ABC, the altitude AB is 5, BC is 12. तो पहले डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. So this is 5 and this is 12. So the hypotenuse becomes 13. This is the right angle triangle. AB is 5 and BC is 12. P and Q are 2 points on BC such that the area of triangle ABP, ABQ, ABC are in arithmetic progression. So the point P and the point Q are going to be here. So hold on. Point P is going to be here and point Q is going to be here. After this, if the area of triangle ABC is 1.5 times area of triangle ABC is equal to 1.5 into area of triangle ABP. So area of triangle ABC is going to be how much? Half into base is 12, height is 5 is equal to 1.5 is 3 by 2 into area of triangle ABP. So अगर हम इसे फर्दर सॉल्व करेंगे तो दिस 2 and 2 गेट्स कैंसल्ड आउट एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABP जो है 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 आ जाएगा 20. ओके, एंड हमें और एक चीज पता है कि एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABP देन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABQ and the area of triangle ABC, they are in arithmetic progression. The area of these three triangles in arithmetic progression. Triangle ABC, the area is half into 5 into 12, that is equal to 30. ABP ka area is 20. So ABQ ka area is, let's say, x. So they are in arithmetic progression. So 20 minus x is equal to x minus 30. So if we solve this further, 50 is equal to 2x. So x is equal to आ जाएगा 25. So what we need to find, the length of PQ हमें यहाँ पे find out करना है. तो let's have a look at it. So let's say this is small a, small b and small c. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या क्या लिख सकते हैं? x is equal to 25. ABP, इस ट्राइंगल का एरिया 20 है, इस ट्राइंगल का एरिया 25 आ गया, एंड देन इस ट्राइंगल का एरिया, पूरे ट्राइंगल का एरिया ABC, ABQ. Hold on, 1 second, let me correct this. So area of triangle ABP is 20. So from this what we can say that 20 is equal to half into base is small a into height is 5. So a का वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ पे 8. The value of a is equal to 8. Then area of triangle ABQ is 25. This 25 is equal to half into base is a plus b into height is 5. तो a plus b का वैल्यू कितना आ जाएगा यहाँ पे 10. तो a का वैल्यू 8 है तो b का वैल्यू आ जाएगा 2. तो हमें यहाँ पे PQ का लेंथ निकालना है. द लेंथ ऑफ PQ is equal to how much? B. That is equal to 2. Question number 21. A quadrilateral ABCD is inscribed in a circle such that AB is to CD is 2:1 and BC is to AD is 5:4. AC and BD intersect at point E, then AE is to C. We need to find. तो पहले तो डायग्राम निकाल लेते हैं. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. Let's draw a circle first of all, and then there is a square ABCD. There is a quadrilateral ABCD, not square. So this is quadrilateral ABCD. Let's join the diagonals. The intersection point of diagonals is point E. This is quadrilateral A, B, C and D. Also इस क्वेश्चन में और क्या दिया है? AB and CD का रेशियो हमें पता है 2:1. AB and CD. So if CD is x the length of AB is going to be 2 times x. And BC and AD का ratio is 5:4. If BC is 5y, AD is going to be 4y. And AC and BD intersect at point E. ठीक है, हमें find out करना है the ratio of AE divided by CE. This is AE and this is CE. This is the ratio that we are supposed to find over here. So यहाँ पे हम arc के properties use कर सकते हैं. You can see that this angle is equal to this angle. Similarly, this angle is equal to this angle, and these are two opposite angles. So from this we can see that these two triangles are similar. Which two triangles are similar? Triangle ABE is similar with triangle DCE. तो यहाँ पे corresponding sides के ratio लिख लेते हैं. यहाँ पे the ratio of AB and DC is going to be same as the ratio of BE and CE, and is also going to be same as AE and DE. So from this what we can conclude is the length of AB is 2x and length of DC is equal to x. It means 2x divided by x. This ratio is going to be 2 divided by 1. So AE and DE, this ratio is 2:1. We want AE over here. So what we can write over here, let's write the length of AE as 2 times k. तो length of DE हो जाएगा k. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? Other two triangles are similar. Hold on. If this is alpha, this is also alpha. And if this is beta, this is also beta. So now which two triangles are similar, everyone? Triangle ADE. It's similar with triangle ADE. It's similar with triangle BCE. So अब corresponding sides का ratio लिख देते हैं. The ratio of AD and BC is going to be same as the ratio of DE and CE is going to be same as the ratio of AE and BE. So now we know the length of AD is 4y, length of BC is 5y, तो ये ratio हो जाएगा 4:5. हमें find out करना है AE and CE का ratio. CE is involved in this ratio. So let's have a look at it. Over here DE is equal to K, CE we need to find is equal to 4/5. तो अगर हम इसे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो we will get the length of CE as 5 divided by 4 into K. अब हमें फाइनली फाइंड आउट करना क्या है? यहाँ पे AE and CE इन दोनों का रेशियो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. AE का लेंथ कितना है? AE का लेंथ इज 2K, CE का लेंथ इज 5 divided by 4K. तो दिस रेशियो बिकम्स 8 divided by 5. सो हमारा आंसर होगा ऑप्शन C. After this, question number 22. Let C be the circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. And L be the locus of the point of intersection of a pair of tangents to C with the angle between two tangents equal to 60 degree. Then the point at which L touches the line x is equal to 6. Over here one data is missing. This is x is equal to 6 is what? Let's have a look at it. तो पहले तो यहाँ पे सर्कल निकाल लेते हैं एंड इस सर्कल का हम सेंटर एंड रेडियस भी आइडेंटिफाई कर देते हैं. तो यहाँ पे द वैल्यू ऑफ 2g 2 times g is equal to 4 and 2 times f is equal to -6 and c is equal to -3. So g is equal to 2, f is equal to -3. So the center becomes how much? The coordinates of center is -g comma -f, and the radius is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. The radius is equal to 9 plus 7 16 under root 16, that is equal to 4. Now, L is a locus of the point of intersection of a pair of tangents drawn to C from any exterior point. Let's have a look at it, everyone. किसी exterior point से हम यहाँ पे tangents draw करेंगे. From any exterior point we can draw exactly 2 tangents to the circle and the length of those 2 tangents is equal. So this angle is 60 degree. This is the center with the coordinates -2, 3. The property is a line joining center of a circle and point of contact with tangent is 90 degree perpendicular to the tangent, like this. This is radius, which is nothing but 4 and 4. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं, let's join this point and the center of a circle. And तो ये पूरा angle 60 है तो ये 30 30 हो जाएगा. Now we know side opposite to 30 degrees 4. So side opposite to 60 degree कितना हो जाएगा? Let's have a look at it. Side opposite to 30 degrees half of hypotenuse होता है. तो hypotenuse is going to be 8. Hypotenuse is going to be 8. Let's say this is AB. The length of AB is going to be 8. And let's say this is C and D. The length of AC is going to be how much? √3/2 into 8. That is equal to 4 times √3. Length of AD is also going to be 4 times √3. So अब हमें यहाँ पे निकालना क्या है? Let's have a look at it. The point at which L touches the line x is equal to 6. So hold on, x is equal to 6. So यहाँ पे इस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स, लुक यार, इस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमें यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट करना है. द पॉइंट एट विच L टचेस द लाइन x इज इक्वल टू 6 मीन्स इस पॉइंट का x कोऑर्डिनेट इट्स 6, इसका y कोऑर्डिनेट हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. सो यहाँ पे हम डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं. 6 माइनस ऑफ -2 ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस 3 ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर is equal to 8 square is how much? 64. So let's solve this. This is equal to how much? 64 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 64. तो अगर हम इसे फर्दर सॉल्व करेंगे तो y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. तो अगर हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे तो you will get y is equal to 3. The coordinates of this point is 6, 3. So that is why our answer is option number B.